Hi everyone! Thank you all for tuning in. Hope everyone is doing well today. So in this video, we are going to unbox. I ordered something online and this is it from Amazon. This video is not paid. I paid my order, okay? Okay, so I already opened it. So we will not be showing sharp objects in this video, you know. So we will open it. And first there is a bag to protect the item inside. And then the item. Ta-da-da-dan, ta-dan! It's a... I don't know how to read it. Comedones or Comedones, whatever. Your skincare specialist. Okay, so we will open it. It actually looks like a phone case, but it's not. Okay, so it's QC passed. There, it's QC passed. And we'll open it. Both. That was my husband. Both ends are sealed.
Power.
Huh?
Battery.
Four.
Here.
Oh. There you go. Ooh. So we have here, I'll show you what is this. This is a sucker. It sucks all the bad spirits off your face. There, it's a vacuum for your blackheads and whiteheads. Blackhead remover pore vacuum. I paid this. It's not sponsored, okay? So what's in the box? This is the manual, and then we have this sucker. It's like rose gold, and we will learn how to use this because I never used this before. There's a plug or a wire, a cord for charging maybe. And you have this, what do you call this? Nozzle or something? Okay. Oh. So, as what the manual says, this is the probe. This one. There's a small dot there. That's the indicator light. This one is the power button. So this is the micro USB charging cable. And there are different probes. This first one is large round hole head. Large round hole head. This is using strong suction to massage, lift, and simulate microcirculation and blood flow, tighten skin. Next, this one. It's a small round hole head. Small. Oh, this is not the one. No. This one, you see the hole? This is the oval hole head. Reduce micro wrinkle on the corner of the eyes and mouth. Making your skin smooth and tightened. Next, this one. This is the scrub head. The scrub head. emits millions of microscopic crystals on the skin with high absorption to remove dead skin cells. In the last one, you see the hole? It's small. It's a small round hole head. Removes blackheads. It was weaker suction, suitable for sensitive skin. So let's read the manual. So there's something in a small bag, in a small ziploc. See? I think. See, you see it? There are two items in the bag. The one that looks like a ring, that's a rubber replacement ring. There are two in the bag. So there are two rubbers. Then the other ones, see, there are like foamy thing. That's the sponge replacement core. That's the sponge. So you will need that later. So in one box, you have one blackhead remover pore vacuum. This one. Then you have the 5 adjustable probes. There's 4 here in the hole, or in this mold here, in this slots here, and there is one in the vacuum, on the vacuum. Next is you have one micro USB charging cable, and you have this 4. What's this for? And I don't know what this 4-hickey thing is called, but I'll show you. This is like a round thing there. I think that's for picking those things from off your face. There's a sharp thing there. I don't know what it's called, so I have to do my research. There's 4 of them. It's rose gold. Let's see. There's 4. So I think that's it. I will put the amount, how much I paid for this vacuum, face vacuum. I'll put in the description box below. And that's it. So I will try to use this. Maybe I will make a video when I am using it, or maybe I won't. Maybe not on the first time, maybe on the second time. I can't promise. But that's all I ordered online from Amazon. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified on our next videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. See ya.